Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about upsell products. So what are upsell products and why are they added to the cart? We'll cover all these points in this video and also discuss how you can add upsell products to your cart. Let's get started. But before diving into the process, let's first understand what an upsell product actually is and what its benefits are. An upsell product means showing related products on the cart page when a user adds something to their cart. Just like when you open a product in the featured collection section and see related products below it, similarly, when a user adds a product to their cart, like a mobile phone, then before checkout, we show some upsell products or suggestions related to it, like headphones, a phone case, or a mobile holder. These related items can be shown as upsell products so that users are encouraged to buy them as well. The benefit of showing upsell products is that when users purchase them along with the main product, the overall order value increases. This helps in boosting your sales. Another benefit is that customers don't have to search around your website for related products. If someone adds a phone cover to their cart and also needs a holder, they don't have to search for it separately. We show it directly as an upsell product, making the buying process smoother. It improves user convenience and also increases the chances of multiple item purchases. There's also an inventory benefit. Suppose you have a product in excess stock and want to sell it faster, you can show that item as an upsell product with every cart addition. That way, users might buy it too, reducing the extra quantity and increasing your order value at the same time. These are some of the key advantages of using upsell products on the cart page. Now, let's talk about how to enable this feature on your Shopify store. To access this upsell product feature, you first need to create a metafield at the product level. On the left side of your Shopify admin, go to Settings. Scroll down and click on Custom Data. There, select Products and create a new metafield. You have to use the exact same name for the metafield as shown in the tutorial. If you use a different name, the feature may not work. Choose the type as Product and set it to allow a list of products. Once you've done this, save the metafield and go back. After the metafield is ready, go to the product where you want to assign upsell products. In the metafield section of that product, add the related products you want to show as upsells. For example, I selected 5 products to be shown as upsells when a user adds a specific product to their cart. Once I save it and go back to that product, I can test it by adding the product to the cart. As soon as the product is added, all 5 selected upsell products appear just below it in the cart. So that's how you can add upsell product functionality to your store and increase your average order value. If you also want to add this feature to your store, feel free to connect with us. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.